All right. Give us the lowdown. What's happening?
March 1st, 2025. We're gonna have 100 people here tonight.
What's the vibe?
Hi. We're gonna test how sturdy this floor is tonight.
What you got?
Hi, future Justin. Hello. We got the gold R2D2 lights out today. The C3POs.
Got the lighting set up from Luke's room. Gonna be controlling these lights.
Just how it like.
You ain't got no backbone. I get a trap, I ain't got a trap phone. I got keys and M's and K's and O's.